Cruise by Mandy back here again, here in the Tongas National Forest. If you're looking for something to do that's very easy walking distance from the ship, literally block and a half away, and inexpensive, $5 per adult, free if you have your National Park Pass, and children under age 13 are free. You can come here, you can watch movies, see the exhibits. The kids can complete the Junior Ranger program, which lets them earn a park badge. Lots of things inside. Got lots of exhibits, movies, example of the tropical rainforest, things you can do like that. So a lot of things to do if you're on a budget like we usually are and want to do something educational and fun. Now, taking a look out this direction, another set of windows. You see the duck tours go by, just like in any other town. There's a restaurant right there that's been recommended to me, so I'm definitely checking that out today, the Alaska Fish House. And the other place that people enjoy visiting when in Ketchikan, other than Fish House as well, some will visit the Lumberjack Show. And if you're available to purchase that, you can do that and walk here very easily. And another really popular place to go visit is Creek Street, right over there. All are easy walking distance and something, one can do and still stay within a good budget. But not bad for a family of 4 checking into the Tongas National Forest Visitor Center for a total of $10, or free if you have the annual National Park Pass. Live from Ketchikan, Cruise by Mandy, signing off for a few minutes.